Hey everyone! Today I'm going to be doing slime pet peeves because, yeah, I have a lot of them. So, yeah, let's get right into it. So I made this slime yesterday. It's super good. I really like it. It's really fun to play with, and I think the best part of the pokes, if you can hear them, and probably the pops, like the best part about the slime, it's so good. I mean, I just love this slime. It's just so good. I'm sure you can hear all the ASMR noises right now. It's just so satisfying. So satisfying. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed, and some of these were kind of exaggerated a little bit, but yeah. Bye!